Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been an eventful day today because the Hiram Cook channel just came knocking. Well, without any fanfare or ado, let us find out what he sent me. Honestly, oh bother. Honestly, I don't know what's in the box. I mean, I know some of the stuff he was sending to different people, but whoopsie. We got packing peanuts. Hang on a minute. Oh, bother. There we go. Something to catch them in so they don't go flying all over the place. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Well, it seems there's quite a bit more in here than I had expected. Okay. So Hiram has sent me one of the little Esbit stoves with his version of, I forget the name of that he called it, but it's carbon felt inside a foil for a burner. You just add alcohol. I just forget the name he used on the thing. And he's included one of these little tiny ferrule rods. Cool. Let's see if I can get some luck. There we go. Just got to get through the coating, folks. And it does throw sparks. And he's included one of these little 9-volt flashlights. All I need is a 9-volt battery to go with that now. And an envelope. Ooh, ooh. What do you know? He included my poker chip. That's how he did this. He used random.org. He had poker chips with everybody's number on them. Oh, that's right. Not random. He had a bucket full of poker chips with a number. And the number corresponded to where you were on a list. He's also got a note in here. Hi, Hiram here. Thanks a million for entering my giveaway and for watching my videos. Cool. Watch method for finding your compass direction. Oh, I enjoy watching Hiram boil water. You're going to start needing to carry these, folks. That's the state of the economy today. And you're going to need a pocket full of them to buy anything. And how to light a match in the wind. Well, very cool, Hiram. Thank you very much. I had really only asked for the stove, but the other things will come in handy. Thank you very much. And remember, folks, if ladies don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Peace out.